Dynamic content is Mautic's way of sending out multiple versions of the same email to different audiences. It means that you can highly specialize exactly what you're sending to a particular segment of people. It means that if you have a different copy, different images, videos, offers, anything really that you want to send to different audiences, you can split any of those bits of content up using dynamic content. It's one of those features that often goes under the radar for new users, but it's actually an incredible tool for making sure that you are catering to your audience perfectly. To show you how dynamic content can be added to your marketing emails, our Mautic expert Brad is on hand to show you how.
Hello, I'm Bradley. I work with Mautic here at Enable. And today I'm going to walk you through dynamic content. So we'll head into the email now. This is the template that I've selected. When we head into the email, I've added our logo in a couple of areas. So head to the panel down here, drag and drop panel, scroll down, dynamic content, pull it in. And so you'll be welcomed with the default selection. So the default selection is anyone who doesn't fit any of the criteria you've selected in the variations, they'll receive this version. So whatever you want to put in, so hello from London or something like that. And then when you're ready to add your variations, press new. And so this is variation one. You can add as many as you want, so 2, 3. So for example, variation one might be hello from Paris or whatever kind of, you can have different variations. You can vary the text, you can vary images, you can change the font, the size, etc. So once you've selected the variation of content, you want to select who's going to receive that content. So you come down to filters down here. And so for example, here I want to say people with the country that equals France is going to receive this version. So then that will then send anyone who fits that criteria within the contacts module in Mautic this version. So then here in variation 2, for example, you could put hello from Rome and then have the country as Italy. So there's a lot that you can do with dynamic content. You can really target who you want to receive specific areas of an email, for example. With text, with images, with links, anything that you want to vary within the email can be done with dynamic content.
If you're looking to learn a little bit more about what Mautic can do, then check out this video up here where our experts Nord and Joe go through the ins and outs of Mautic. But thank you for watching, and until next time, take good care of yourselves.